The hidden drain test. Let me tell you something most business owners learn too late. More sales do not always mean more safety. In fact, some sales make you look stronger on paper while making your business weaker in real life. That is one of the biggest hidden traps in business. A lot of people think their financial reports are just paperwork for the accountant. They look at the numbers, feel a little relief, and move on. But smart business owners do something different. They use their reports like a flashlight. They use them to find the quiet leaks. They look for the sales, customers, and jobs that seem good on the surface but quietly hurt cash, time, and profit. That is where the edge is. Because not every sale is a good sale. A sale can lift revenue. It can make the month look busy. It can even make you feel like growth is happening. But if that sale pays late, needs too much support, causes rework, or ties up cash in stock and labor, it may be hurting the business more than helping it. That is why smart owners ask better questions. Did this sale leave profit? Did it leave cash? Did it make the business easier to run? Or did it just make us busy? So where do you start? Start with the profit and loss. Break your sales into simple groups and ask which ones bring the best gross profit, which ones cause the most stress, and which ones take the most time for the least return. Then move to the balance sheet. Look at accounts receivable, inventory, and short-term payables. Ask who owes you money the longest, what stock is sitting too long, and which jobs force you to spend cash first and wait too long to get paid. Then use the cash flow statement like a truth detector. Because profit and cash are not the same thing. If sales are rising but cash is weak, stop and ask why. Are customers taking too long to pay? Are you buying too much stock too early? Are you growing in the wrong areas? Then do one more smart thing. Rank your customers by cash quality, not just by sales value. Who pays fast? Who asks for fewer extras? Who leaves the best real margin behind? Because your biggest customer may not be your best customer, and here is the best part. You do not need a giant dashboard. You just need a 15-minute weekly habit. Once a week, ask, what sold best? What paid best? What paid slow? What tied up cash? What should we push, fix, or stop? That is how smart owners stay calmer than everyone else. They find the quiet leaks. And once they can see them, they can fix them. That is how better business success is built. One clear look at a time.